boy back boy. Where? Man. Etowie. Wa mi Enogie o ya lo bo lopa.
Oh, you're inside.
Wa mi Enogie, huh? O ya lo bo lopa. What am I wearing? The one where we are not fit play now.
If you have been on your bed,
Easy.
If you have been on your bed,
Easy. This is too much.
a woman, okay, it a woman was it. That means I would money was in what? I would want to only automatic or deli and a kifon ekia.
Na piki dey talk to the phone. I want put that for last speaker. What on the year where? Jesus. May you not live the life. I never even hear this one's why the beginning they pray for now. Yes, Saga with entertainment. Easy, man. The insult is too much now. Pikin. For Pikin to insult mama like this, you know, say the mother have failed. In your quack bay.
Ogo ga be, oga igbe bo bien, ogbe vavan, ogbe bota, ogbe midnight. Ogiaso, ogun gbe ogiaso. Diyo gele mo me la webo. Diyo mo me la kini meje na ogo ga be.
This one just newly entered Japan. Okay? This one just newly entered Japan. Iye Sonia and Ogun Agbewason or TikTok is a Morocco now when you're viewing la webo. All of now when they respect and they call her mama. I believe say that the end of this video today, you guys will regret your life. She doesn't even worth it. Why you platform okay? Platform is done. Platform is done. Platform is done. Hello, mama. What talk by? Where? Yorama. Ah, we say thank you for the correction. Yorama go boy. No ye Sonia Yovan.
No be me no dey sekile. No be me di o me la webo. Don't be 20,000 me dey cash.
Mama Sonia so dey talk so.
Go na where you ba gbon. You me 20,000. Otoyo ko den otoyo ko na ma. Oh, saloba la. Ogun no gbo no ka gbe mele. Ogun no gbo no ka gbe mele. Ya oge. Yin go so no go ezele de me Nigeria, we take no pa Nigeria re. Isi me we yin na Nigeria be ni ejine.
I go interpret.
Ya mo si da pa no na. Ibe ti kewe o be yin gbe bi e no pa ya fa ya o pa wa o pa yin na. O ka re ni ate mi e be na wo re ni ate mi e be re ni na. If no be wa coordinate ko tell me say my live I be so my gas go say my live and my most should be most we no know say Igbo pikin for Nigeria. En yo bio me o la yin Enogie.
Ya you a man osa you e. You got disgrace when me the whole world in there. Una igun edo we ise your way. Ido aya we lucky tell opi we. I will explain to you guys that does not hear Benin. After this audio play finish, I will explain the one who know the hear Benin. How they explain one audio with English for now. Pidgin English.
En yo bio me o la yin Enogie la. En yo bio me o en yo bio me enye. Bere ahe na agbo ya here. Abege yo yiwo me webo. On webo. Imani re me Nigeria ma so.
Okay, before the second audio go play, the first audio, the son is lamenting. Say it caused the day where this woman born her, which is Mama Sonia. Now his son, when his sister carry enter Canada with this, his son says since his mama travel since 96, he not doing mama 200,000. His mama don't know whether they would exist for house. His sisters now they follow enter. He not bring any of the picky con Europe. As we speak right now, this boy say may we join hand together more the help and the swear for mama. He said when mama be want go Nigeria. So sorry, when mama come Nigeria the last time, say we want collect document. He said some of the guys like all the beggar and say now your mama no matter what leave the document for him. He said because mama na useless person. He said that Morocco. He said that they smoke. He said I wish he didn't hear where mama did for plenty mama. He said that useless mama na be. So now understand now. Japan. Japan.
Mamini ya la no na le mi wiwa otemi ku kin no wa ya webe o ma gba mi fa kede mi ona iku ma no gun were yo wa gbon o igba gun na ju meji eyan o mo me la webo mo me la webo la voice note na don no wa o mamini ya tag mamini ya mu eyo do ati mu eyo nu kole we kole on e mi ta ni ata me no make na on we wi a agbukena oda fan ya we ogbalewe o wa wo mo no bie na yan wo mo no bie eme wo free man eme din o we when you na reke no re ni o zin na fun me o we o da o me fian o pa fo e yo pa ya fian fo iri o ile sira ya ri o me ke na we wo free o
Yenukokomo pikin don't do this one to Yenukokomo. When this idiot begin to insult Yenukokomo, he don't reach your pikin, you know. Come analyze her. Next time, you will never advise me. I don't defend people trouble. I do my own. They that their bring lessons come and say, where you forget document, me come dey explain to idiot. If I want to do show again, I did do with my crew. I meshed with the people that have what it takes to do it. My name is just there, like, oh, Enogie. That is it. They may be there now. We don't get document today, go get tomorrow. Now some of my friendly friends come and say, yes, sir, you need to get this plastic. You know, if you don't need, me. Now me you talk to you direct. You can't tell me talk to you direct. What song? Well, tell you. Now when I do lessons, now I can't say bring a dirty card. Come aside, say you get card for burial. You have to burial be cool. Well, tell you now. Yes, we have your body. Well, hey, no, don't start again. Well, tell you.
Always, away flog always. Il ya gaga il pot il ya in bien ya kuda ma se ya wonya no na le mi wa yo ma ni kwemu no na gbe o ba gbon no na nwa re yo no gbe o ba gbon no de ba wa ai me ya se gbe ti on ni je bie oro re ya o gbale ba mo bo oro re ya gbale ba o mo bo oro re ya wo pa ni respect work by where we are, work by that point of view, work by more here. Maybe I keep begging my me, you want to go on money with your J. You money with your J. You know, get over what about money with your J. Loadooh. Oh, we are moving like we both. I will where we are.
It's a pretty. Yes, they say mama to the smell. They say mama to the smell. Hey, so that's why I know what they do.
But why did they do up on that?
You get where I play the audio original. I'll pause. May other women still analyze them. All the women on TikTok want to analyze this thing because they didn't have a woman. So it is time now for her to be analyzed. Look Alpha. Alpha now. How you there, Look? Hope you there fine. How you there? Just so you feel that skill Nicky Billion for my hand. With like this one, so we sure you are to Polo Moki, you not sure, not be all those crayfish saga on the do. Because Nicky Billion saga is already ready. It's already ready. You made that it's then 98, you made that 2.
And no game battle.
Yeah.
What scatter area there, Nasha? This So wait to I want to talk one thing investor la what is small a little 1 minute me. Enogie I think you are FYP.
Pidgin
Okay.
English.
You no go come more. I don't say you go there FYP now. You know why they call your name? Because when all those women they come out, they insult your children that day. They insult your daughter, the only daughter when you get that day. Say, you not get character, you not get this. But we don't see where she for come out to. I mean, even the live videos way for call. You not come out, come insult you. You not come out, come insult you. See insult. You see insult when son they give you, mama. You see insult. People when they your platform that day they insult your daughter. When even we are people beg say they not they even care for your children. You they see insults now. You they see if not be this saga now for not know all those things. You need to apologize to your daughter because you see the way all those women so why they cry that day. You know whether that when they cry that day that way over here you know 70 they will get 18 years speaking, they will get 20 years. They help them do anything for yourself because you just see your pikin saga that day. You were so happy. Say your pikin, you and your pikin one saga. When other people you don't know how their own be. Actually, they see matter now. You they see the way this boy they insult. Before you talk one word, they go insult him mama. Before you talk two words, they go insult him mama. Before you talk to them word, they go insult him mama. Before people call they insult mama like that. For social media, all they call na tie boy or when you're being in a name they even they call them. Una you always like the other when they want tie boy. We don't know what their own pikin they do the first house. Don't do that thing again next time if your pikin offend you. Shut up first house. I took a bag insulted there.
Oh, now you met me any kokomo. Let's see. Thank you.
When I ask a guy, if I'm not supposed to wait here, when I ask a guy, when I attack him, no, I'm a book you way.
Sonia no, where Sonia? Yes, Sonia no sumbu. Yogama. You send me the insult. You no kokomo say I not get respect. But never insult my mama. Your children they insult you for your hope say they wash them. Who made that video? FYP no can boy Sonia. The one where the saga where they follow they do see all this way. I just they don't be saying ma now today you know waiting me Tori. And he give me Tori. Not be all audio play because the one where your baby papa fete call me your in-law. I know say they just can record tire. They don't too laugh you.
I trust that they'll tag me.
Everybody mention out me here. You might see the button on our way, on our beer. You are cool. Oh wow.
Bon boy. See boy picking out this sweat mama. Bon boy. The boy became a bugby yeah because he did not play the role of a mother in his life. And he caused the toss say. Now he bring her to Europe. Now they parody the guy.
I don't know
we on either la more bugby. Equal our way. Is a we all before. It's a man where we bought with you because all Nigeria.
You imagine saying this my for tomorrow. You imagine saying yes on what they that way. We call they drag the children from media. Which can pick you una be? Which can children una be? Una mama there. Una even na yes the bad they wo wa. The boy said not get apology. He say sister they come. Sonia never voice. Sonia they walk. Sonia me go and the boy they talk.
Sonia ya even before it's too late.
Sonia Yogama. You be on at Sonia. Sonia. Wait. Sonia no ama.
I suppose put my name so he no round one. I know me get.
Awa. No one get go better everywhere. Monica no UK. Whoever Monica Monica. Where are say Monica?
Yeah. Ojo wa fe me. Ese meji to egbe. Abukpo ya mu eyupo. Abukpo.
He said if mama die, you know put her for cemetery. He said na corner of road you go bring mama. I want to play 1 or 2 more, then I know if you play the rest. The log away, the audio many wait till they sort mama. What do I play one after the other? No sense.
Oh yeah, Mwezi, Ukbo, Ukbo. Every city by 100 then
Oh, I don't know.
Ah, we mob.
I don't know Sandra.
Sorry.
Sonia here you van.
Oh.
Sonia, ni ko Sonia na gbasha gbe go yo kwa mo pe. Sonia ni here.
Sorry.
Yeah, money what you guys so not the mama Sonia make na respect here. E Sandra ni oh yeah. E Sonia ni wait for me you got ma to Sonia. Because I got you Mama Sonia.
Maso. Ewo mo na tie Sonia.
No Sonia, oh yeah you van. Eni e o. Eni asha wo no yeah you van.
Yeah, well, they say Sandra close for work. They say
You got money here.
you cannot delete the audios. Why you talk like that? Audio way day. Audio of 2021.
When they drop money gone, Bella. Oh, God bless you.
Audio of 2021 still there here. 2017 day here. He talk about today audio fresh audio everywhere. Agmen here you tag 2021 audio January, 2022 audio February. This one 2025 October audio.
You see why they fight for Vision Coco?
very no gonna la
When I see why I fight for some that day, you supposed to stop insulting this girl. You must not
Hello, good evening. Hello, Mama Nora. Now, good evening.
Good evening.
No, no kuko mo piki. Better pass this Mama Sonia piki.
Where
He insult me, they insult him, Mama. Even no kuko mo piki say no insult him mother like that. God forbid.
Okay.
He better pass this Mama Sonia. Yes.
You see why we call it Friday? Say me
This is too much now. Your Mama, too much.
No, no blame her. Huh?
Yeah, God.
Tori. Descend now. Say your mama. Why they do like that? Anyway, let me carry you client. Why you do like that?
No, now I fast on the ABC.
No, it should be your mama. Why you like that? When they look for what a big person, if they see evidence, they say your mama is too much. It's not too much anything. Me happy, me cause some well. Me there for the use of the laugh. You know fit up for children matter again now. Nothing we go fit up put again. I don't spoil career.
Don't spoil the respect what they get for.
The respect what they get for them. Where are they? Turn on you.
Papa, I know. In fact, this matter, for 12 now to the fight like this, the thing does. In fact, person wey see you now as friends before. If he say spirit no weak, na lie talk.
You not be my friend though, because we play game together. Not missing on my friend.
I understand because anybody now go that me say mani maka or maka wemu wa at all. No.
Disappointed.
Yeah.
For me, nobody is supporting her for doing that at all.
God bless you.
Nobody is supporting her because she's always against it.
Exactly.
You understand me? Even the people that was there, they cannot even call her to tell her that stop. Face them alone. Leave the children out of it. And the one thing where I see, we say, sometimes you with person go get quarrel. That person not go face you. You go meet another person where you say you will get the quarrel. They put more petrol, more fire, so the thing go they escalate. If the thing don't they escalate, all of them will go hide their head. Make una no hide una head. Make una come out. You get what? If no. With what the things I'm just hearing, in fact, it pissed me off. No, this is too much. It's too much. It's too much. Una wey be so na clap hand for this thing where they happen. So mona no hide, mona come out. And one thing again, pretty daughter. Unshakable. I'll call una come out.
Unshakable is always against her.
Because they're supposed to call her underground calling. They're supposed to call her underground calling as the thing they even says no matter what. I know say for Unshakable tell her say, Mama, face this man with your wife, leave the children out of it. he go listen that moment. Even say unshakable not there around, pretty daughter can still do it. This thing of no escalate like this.
Enogie, if the saga they come, where are we at?
Enogie not climb. And how this thing they go on, they take place. Anybody when they say they dance, they rejoice, put. Now be so now be the enemy.
Where the time comes.
Now be the enemy. It does not cut for.
Boya me have sexy baby look here tell you. And all sexy baby go even ghost past this one. I swear. Come here, you saga be car.
Mama, you have done well, ma. Thank you, ma.
This life, everybody gets you for body. If you not come out today, go come out tomorrow. We should be very careful the way we clap for other people to fall. We should be very careful. Seeing other people, rejoicing for other people's problem.
She they rejoice for people problem. If people problem come, if another person this they happen to see, she don't open one live stream. My sister, my friend, yeah, make people rejoice over her. Why they do like this? Ogun gbiye Sonia. Sonia only we are here to take the final one. Oh no, wait, make that one close. That one beyond one talk. As the mama take my children, come make her enter jant. Sonia we had one. Mama Mimi, wait. Ja. Where's the that way? Why you like that? You are a learner now, you Chris.
Oh, I don't know what bell. Butupu. When you let her now get competition. You have anywhere.
Now to get flat on me, your children love you. Even no more about boy. Record they're going. I bully my children. I like them, eh? I get fans all over everywhere. If I tell them, they believe me.
Yeah, you know, I have feeding 6 feet. I have mama, you're only 2 feet. I'm 2 feet. 2 feet. I have the or IS always Curtis. Ibelema, our now. At woman useless woman now way or your killer or your pa. Ya name me where in the end we assassin me there we are bomb. Yeah, we are moving in Akabe. Yeah, now, the money made there. Oh, yes, Yazi made your guard in Europe. You know, my
he say if you say mama they call her cultist. He say if they give her many assassins, they go by person. He say hey mama, what is that? They are you Chinese. Chinese this smell from my nose. I go shop Chinese food. I also called this last week. Yebo do humani. Yebo.
Baba o. Pardon que lagui, yari plan for no reba. Sister no reba coista. Lagui san egbo e. Ikimu na lasowane. Mama, where okay we na me or na de we are people that we uru mo gwe. I don't know if you are on this live video. November last year, I did 5 years marriage anniversary, which she forced herself to come. But when I level, this woman make my life miserable. On her live screen, she said that she's going to point a place. Na amokianeshi, we are operation fibroid. In your body, na amokianeshi. This woman lied on me 1,001 times. She got everybody to bully me. You never see that and tell her, hey, Mama Sonia, Iyogama, aka Sonia Bluehead, even Unema, you didn't stop her. Rather, you are coming here to cry on the Enogie platform. Even Sonia we may, and I went that way we are queer. One of the Sonia destroy. I blame her untouchable. I blame her a pretty daughter. Oh, you think they don't talk? I believe they are talking. A Sonia here, mama. Sandra, her daughter, told me where is she here, mama? Jebola ho. We put Mama Michelle and Pa Smith on call. And I go Hunagwa. Why do we put her on call? Because of Enogie. Mama, esa guy Enogie. What did this woman did? On our life, you don't know your hearing. We begin esa guy Enogie. Do you know how many people have talked to this woman inside? Nobody should say that where a woman, she's not my friend. I even blocked her. She doesn't follow me, I don't follow her. The same thing with Pretty Daughter. The rest of them, I'll block them. Nobody. Nobody. Okay, can bother me. Yoga Mafa. I dey play. That's my grill. Udega it didn't ask yet though. A bomber. I see.
Exactly.
My mother-in-law never offended you. Rudio Wane, for the 5 minutes you spent, we might treat you like a queen. But you left, now you attend our master. At the end of the day, una matepisha awane. Uwa mata me marry ati magwe uwa maro mewe. Una matepisha awane. Afa today, your own daughter, your own child, your own son, or iladian, or ivione woto. Ah, now if I were a zoo, uwa na uwa ya vie. Elatia, I'm ashamed of you. These are the things in where she go again when I was still with you, where Mama Laho. A platform, a platform, now vice woman, a bina, a sanga. When no, you want to sanga, Enogie, you want Enogie is a big fish. If I lied on you, the bebo, I'm still yes, so
a big fish, yes, I got it. Yeah, me view.
Right from the one, a pastor from that present in here with a mama, a man now, or one man, no one me over there, or do have no television, lago go shilla ho. Lago go, a saga, what I ram, no, even no by. But it's the person that we see every time. Oh, I'm not betting. I'm not betting. If you come here again,
wait, yeah.
I hate this nonsense. Eh? Stop it now.
Wait, yeah, boy. What the boy?
I hate this too. Stop calling me. I hate how it's saga. People should stop. Eh, Sonia, or you walk in webo, we beer.
Why you lie? Okay, Sonia, man, do the best. Sonia, you know the Bible.
Sandra, you use that to insult me in November. You use her. You use everybody to fight me without I did not wrong you. For things I know nothing about. Madam no do aguamba. Go and watch what this one did to me in November. I thought maybe she rests. Or when you're not pay 200,000. God bless you, my lovely husband. 200,000 pay the man you go ask me. I see that is not even enough. Or let's in January. Or the other way, Mama, we only say, February just passed again. In that deep, without for me, permit me just 2 minutes to talk to this woman. My husband is more of a pastor. So in or why I give you 2 minutes. And I do have my way. I cannot arrive there. Madam, make it go now. It take me 3 months. From November to February 5th, calculate it. Do that offend her? No. Do that insulted her? No. What did I do to her? What did I did? Sonia is one person that she doesn't know when to stop. Enogie is one person doesn't know when to put an end to things. She will do it and do it she doesn't know when to stop. Look at your life today. Emmanuel, what Emmanuel killer? It's true. Your son said the truth. Oh, where you know me, where up? The woman Maeta. Last year, before your birthday, and after your birthday, your son father, no mafia na don't do disgrace you. I changed my name to Jesus baby. In a matter platform again. DJ Wisdom was there. Okay, Rami. Lahore. She's alive. She can bear me from lying. Where were you? I fought for you. If you're bulletin way, and then you turn around and stab me without no reason. When you get to my party, you know you were now. Unwa me ni bumbe matani atana. We ekimeti a president there on me hate say man. The intervention or not before I live video. See your nakedness for Assad. See your life for Banoff. See your life, Sonia. Yorama. I been Alpha. Oh, wow. You know what my brother, you know what now. Me as descent.
Well, say, Edo baby, Gumagwa.
Hepa talk, pardon mo.
One mama no musin.
You see all those people who are they come a Enogie platform, they say pani sell, see. Oh, go walk and walk beluwaya. God go punish you now because all of you now go dey Mama Sonia platform where they insult a Enogie. Una no fit climb up, they say pani sell. We say I think hate to be that one. Una come here now because na Enogie the last pass now. All of una will come here now they say pani sell, honey sell, ya boy. But when they do, nobody they climb the platform go they beg am. She una see disgrace awful everywhere now. I see if this woman they like they thought to where they thought to Enogie kokomo dad they go say oh I wish the Enogie kokomo pikin go feel be like this woman children now. I don't know. I know who say you was Enogie kokomo gapi. Oh yeah Enogie kokomo la go agare man now beg a platform no ya so the Enogie better the Enogie a side worker but woman understand there. Beg man nigga go we better beg yan. U beg yan go so pon yan hin wo so pon.
Yeah.
U so pon yan hin e Enogie la we hear me we pa. You see those people where they say if person want to talk to them for your platform, you go say no, make they not talk to them for your platform because they be your friend. See, a part of people, they not be your friend though. They not be your friend because at the past yesterday for Lucky and Telop platform, when you tell one of your friends, say, Mama Sonia, the saga Enogie, before you talk and finish, you don't know go there. But I never see her for years since where they saw Sonia now. But yesterday, I be the first person, na guy, I don't want to mention your name. Now be first person where wrong go there. Yes, they go to listen to whether for they insult you. Because I know the person want mention your name for your platform. They always say no, make they don't mention her. No, na Bobby, na Bibi and I the turtle. I know Naya the turtle.
Okay.
Nine, because yesterday, even this morning, self, I mean, yeah, today, self, you don't still there, they want for they insult you. But now, because if they want to mention your name for your platform, you go say no. But if you see where they for they insult you, now be the number one where they stay for there. See, a part of those people, I don't want to see them for your platform because now we get this platform. Maybe they know they come here again because if they see where they for they insult you, now they carry calotte for there, they'll go they laugh, go they smile for there. Maybe they not come here again, maybe they carry their wahala go that side. Because those people, they not be your friend, they be your enemy.
Yes.
Okay, pa, thank you.
Yes.
I'm young.
Shut up.
I'm young like me too.
Well, let your love first in there.
I'm young like me too.
Shut. Easy.
Oh, yeah, maybe yoga, no, no, warrior. Oh, you may jazzy yoga, me. Oh, you may yoga.
Easy.
Oh, damn it, Bisha. Error bien moins. Because c'est moins cool, mais error bien moins. Error bien moins. Iwe ya giasen o nu. Because ya lulu giasen pa no. Iwe ya giasen.
Oh.
On le kena ise bana e moti na kefo. Also an feel boy you ere lalo. On le gini. Because because they don't know I am gbogbo ma ora oko. Owe to ra feel boy you ere lalo. Ora opia. O ike agbale ko. Iyen o wa feel boy you ere lalo. Also an feel boy you ere bega. Also an feel boy you ere e ko di mo. If you agbe no agbe.
Shit.
See this boy now, he go take God grace before you go respect his wife. Because you not get motherly, you not get motherly love. You not get motherly love. Not be all men or so go say get that motherly love.
Before this girl go feel love woman
anyhow. It cannot be all, but you cannot take the grace of God. You don't see people with their advice, people they analyze, people matter. People when so single mother they look up to say na my mama, na my mama.
Before you choose God mother.
What of a play game that they use na elderly person who give them. Make for women they put that happiness for a man.
Ya me to wo.
I get to ho I get to who look dirty.
Ya ide gbe mi wana gift e ma we.
Don't see gift and na ya wo na me ya sipo.
Hey wo.
If you have been on your bed, if you have been on your bed. If you have been on your bed, if you have been on your bed. A woman, okay. It woman was that means I would money was anyway. I would monozoni, or tell me what Dele Yannick if if you have no go, I may have no go any, or tell me what Dele Yannick. No, ya Basia, or anything, the middle bar.
Salt is too much.